We know that when it's time to discharge, a patient's recovering journey doesn't end. They can continue to make gains and, in the case of aphasia, communicate more effectively and efficiently even years after their stroke. So how can we best help our patients after they discharge? What can actually be done that's useful? In this video, you'll learn about functional aphasia exercises for a home discharge program. You'll learn how to guide the care partners and gain access to a free PDF that you could use right away with those care partners. How you can help your patients with aphasia after discharges by, number one, training the care partners to use strategies. These are tools that they could use throughout their lives, even years beyond speech therapy ending, and that can help them communicate. For patients, word-finding strategies like say a similar word or think of the first letter are simple and can be really useful. You could train the care partners to avoid giving them the word, but rather support them by giving them enough time, setting up the environment so it's conducive for communication, reducing distractions, and looking at the person when they're talking. They could use keywords, write them down. There are many other communication strategies they could use. Another way to help patients after they discharge is to show them during the session how those strategies work and how they feel like using them. Here's a list of exercises organized by receptive aphasia and expressive aphasia, further organized by mild, moderate, severe. You could download this at adultspeechtherapyworkbook.com. These are evidence-based exercises that are easy to teach care partners and they're functional. For example, if your patient has mild receptive aphasia, you could practice in the session how to use supported conversation. Describe what supported conversation is. Remind the patient to use their strategies. Remind the care partner to use their strategies. Help set up the conversation, provide encouragement and feedback during the conversation. So this is practice, so they know what it feels like, not only to do the task, supported conversation, but most importantly to recognize what it feels like to use the strategies. They can experience for themselves what works, what doesn't, and just stick with those strategies that work. So this handout has a lot of other evidence-based choices. If you're not familiar with one of them, we offer the Protocols Pack and the Starter Pack on our online shop to help. You could also read for free and get this PDF for free on our website, adultspeechtherapy.co. For more information about these other aphasia exercises and what to include in an aphasia home exercise program, visit adultspeechtherapy.co.